We're here at the doctor's office for my mama. It's her heart doctor. But I'm coming out to the car to get my microphone. I forgot it. And plus it's a big bulky item that doesn't exactly fit in your pocket. So, unlock the car. See guys, this is why you don't see a lot of my day these days. One, I can't upload anything. And two, it's all doctor's appointments. McDonald's French fries are the best French fries. Whatever happened to American fries? Remember that? Treason. The slowest train in Texas is passing by so slowly. Oh, look at that little pig guy. The coolest thing about being stuck at the train is being able to see all the cool art on the train. Know what I'm saying? Here, I can turn it like that. That way that rail guard isn't blocking it. There we go. This train is so long and so slow that I'm gonna have to really edit this video just to make it all fix. I want to add all this cool artwork in there. Oh, that one says, is the scribble or does that say words? Look, that one you can tell. It says rayons. But if you sit and you stare at one long enough, you will come to the realization that yes, that is a word and it does say something. But there's just, that one says something. Jesus. Oh, it says juice. You guys are smashing and wrecking the whole business. Look, that says something too. Beat something. That one says, oh look, Way Dough hot dogs. Oh, eater. We did it. We made it through. Now, sit at the red light. Damn it. Back in the car, if you haven't guessed, I'm going to pick up something for dinner and dog food for the dog's dinner. And you never know. Who knows? Might just end up going and get... Hello? Might end up getting... what was I saying? Where are you going? Okay guys, it's the end of a very runaround, eventful but not for you, eventful for my mom kind of a day. So, hopefully this video uploads without a problem. I got an, what do they call it? Upgrade? No, when the app gets a updated. Update? Yeah. Anyway, I don't know why I'm stuck on that word. The app was updated for iPhone, iMovie. I'm just gonna give up. So, maybe it'll fix the glitch that's causing the problem I have. I don't know. I don't know. It's still an audio thing with the music. The last video, I just said forget it, start it over. So let's try it again. It's Friday now. When I started this video, it was like October. I'm gonna work on a painting, but in the meantime, I'm gonna start this video uploading because it took forever last time to figure out, and hopefully it works. Just wish me luck. I can't say it enough. Hello, Sandy. Hello, Sandy. Hello, Sandy. I love your face. You have watery eyes. What's wrong? Are you gonna cry? Do my breath stink that bad? We got a cooking segment to get to for the Sketchy MD today, so be prepared. It's gonna be posted today too, to the Sketchy MD channel. It's gonna be our breakthrough performance. I'm not gonna be in the video, sadly. It'll be 3 or one of the other guys, but it's coming. Look forward to it, huh, Sandy? Did I poke you in the eye with my nose? I'm sorry. These guys all get flea medicine today too. Oh, are you ready for that, Sandy? I don't think you're ready. How's your cousins, the Gremlins, doing? Oh. Why do I gotta bring up old shit? They didn't mean to destroy that town. They just don't know any better, huh, Sandy? Okay. You don't look happy. I don't mean to put you on TV. If you don't want to be on TV, just tell me. Okay. I'm Max Dean. Thanks for being patient, guys. Hopefully we'll get this problem figured out. I have a camera coming. It's coming. Finally. It's coming. But who knows when it's coming. But it's coming. Okay? Talk at you later. Sketchy MD, first video happening. I say today, but you know, with the way my uploads have been going lately, it may not be today. So, just know it's coming. I've been saying that for 10 years about everything. It's coming. There's a lot of times when I say that, and it happens like that. Sometimes I don't even get a chance to say that it's coming, and it happens. Like I'm still like, it! Now, you can let your mind take you anywhere you want to with that. I'm Max Dean, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.